This is an extensions exercise in the key of A. A contains 3 sharps, F sharp, C sharp and G sharp. If you watch at the bottom of the screen, you'll see what comes up is the actual score and tablature. We're going to start with a 13 chord, which contains the 1st, 3rd, 5th, flat 7th, 9th, 11th and the 13th. Now, that's more notes than we actually have on a 6-string guitar, so we ditch the 5th. It's got to have a 1st, it's got to have a 3rd, it's got to have the flat 7th to give it that 7th flavour, and the 13th. Now the 13th is the same as the 6th, it's just an octave higher. So it looks like a bar chord for A. We remove the little finger to create the 7th, and then we move our little finger down to the 7th fret on the B string to get that the 6th note or 13th. So it starts on a 13, A13, and then it moves to a D9. Now D9, we've got a universal shape here, contains a 1st, a 3rd, we've got the flat 7th there, and the 9th. The 9th is the same as the 2, but an octave higher. And then the other chords we've got in this, we've got some diminished chords. And we've got the minor chords, minor 7th chords. And we've got the Hendrix chord, which is where we play a 9th chord, but we raise the 7th, the semitone. So the chord progression, as you can see on the score, 13. D9, 13th again, D9, and then we're going to turn with the diminished, minor 7th on the B, there's a Hendrix chord, back to the minor 7, and then we're going to turn around on a selection of little 7 chords with these little triangles. So that plays the 5th fret, down a string to the 9th, up a string to the 7th, down, and we're back to the head. So here is the actual piece, and then we're going to talk about playing lead guitar across it. To the head, 13 chord, D9, D9, diminished, and then we turn on the 7ths. To the end and finish on an A major 7th. So lead guitar across that piece. Simply put, A minor pentatonic is going to work. Where we make sure we try and finish our sentences on an A, not a hard fast rule, but if we finish our sentences on the root note, our musical sentences, then it just gives it a sense of we know where we are. Scale as well, where we add the extra little blue note in the pentatonic. That's going to help it. Oh, there's another one there, I forgot. Now, if we play that in F sharp minor pentatonic, the A position moves in terms of where it's structured within the scale, but that's going to give it a more melodic sort of sound. It's going to make it sound a little bit more country. Have fun.